How to reactivate Instagram account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device, or you can also open Instagram on your website. Instagram allows you to disable your account once per week to take a break. To reactivate, simply once you are in the login page of Instagram, enter your username and your password and tap on the login button, and with this, your account should be reactivated instantly. Note that it may take a few hours after deactivation before reactivation is possible. And if you cannot log in right away, wait a little and try again. And just in case, if you deleted your account permanently, unfortunately, permanent deletion cannot be undone. Once your account is permanently deleted, all your data, photos, messages, followers will be deleted too, and the only alternative to use Instagram is you will need to create a new account if you want to return to Instagram. So this is how you can reactivate Instagram account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.